Hi and welcome back. WhatsApp has released a new update. Now you can add music to your WhatsApp status inside WhatsApp. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can add music to your WhatsApp status. So let's start our video. First, go to Play Store or App Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Then tap on Open the application, then tap on Update, and then tap on Add Status. So once you tap here, it will access to your phone gallery. You can choose any video. Once you do so, now as you can see, there is the music option. All you need to do is to tap on it and there will be a list of the popular in Thailand. So it will show the popular songs in your area where you belong. So here, all you need to do is, suppose this one is a hit nowadays. So if I want to add this one, just tap on the arrow. And as you can see, this one is added to the video that I want to post as a status. And this is it. Now you can tap on done. You can select the specific part of that audio song from here. So once you select that, just tap on done and it will be added to your WhatsApp status video or photo as well. So guys, this is how you can do it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.